Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get Oxygen OS on your OnePlus 11R. Before starting, it is crucial to prepare your device properly. First, create a complete backup of all your important files and data. This ensures nothing is lost during the update. Next, make sure your phone has at least 60% battery life. Finally, connect to a strong and stable Wi-Fi network to prevent any download issues. These steps are vital for a success. Now, let's check for the update. Open your phone's settings application. Scroll down until you find the About Device section and tap on it. From there, you will see an option for Oxygen OS. Select this. Finally, tap Check for updates. Your phone will then search for the latest available software, including Oxygen OS 15, specifically for your OnePlus 11R model. This process usually takes only a few moments. With Shopify payments activated, Visa will automatically be enabled as a payment method for your customers. You can easily manage and enable or disable other payment options within the Shopify payment settings. For an enhanced customer experience, consider enabling accelerated checkouts such as Shop Pay. It's also important to be aware of the transaction fees, which are typically around 2.9% plus 30 cents for each online transaction, ensuring transparency in your financial planning. Congratulations! Your OnePlus 11R should now be running Oxygen OS 15. To verify, simply go back to Settings, then About Device, and check the Oxygen OS version number. Take some time to explore the new features, interface changes, and performance improvements. If you experience any issues or have feedback, consider sharing it with OnePlus. Enjoy the enhanced and smoother user experience on your updated device, making the most of its new capabilities.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.